Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how we can add our own code snippet for the VS Code. So first of all, what is code snippet? So the code snippet is some line of code which you use multiple times or frequently. So if you don't want to write again and again many times, you can define a short code, you can say short code for that code snippet. So previously I was using Sublime, and first let me show you what does it mean by code snippet. So as I'm a WordPress developer, I use a WordPress query loop a lot of time. So in Sublime, when I start typing WP query and hit enter, I get this code snippet automatically. That is also added by me in Sublime. So same, now I am using VS Code. So same we are going to add in for the VS Code. Currently, if I type WP query, it doesn't get any suggestion except for this. So I'll be adding the code snippet for that loop. So for that, hit Command Shift P, that's for Mac, and for the Windows Control Shift P, and type snippet. And click on this configure user snippets. And there are lots of options if you want to add snippet for specific language. As of now, I'll add global snippet, so it works for all kind of file. And I'll give WP query. It is already exist. WP query loop. Enter. So it will give you this kind of predefined structure for the file. So let's get rid of this. And now we have to add this thing into this snippet file, but there is a format to add over here. So how you can do that? So we have online code snippet generator for the VS Code. So let's search it. And yeah, here it is providing different kind of options. I'll add VS Code over here, description, WP query loop, tab trigger, so by which key you want to have this suggestion. So I'll add WPQ. So once I start typing WPQ, I'll have a suggestion to get my snippet. Now I will copy this and paste it over here. So as you can see, now it will give us this snippet. So let's copy the snippet, copy it, and simply paste it over here. Now save this, and I randomly open a PHP file and start typing WPQ, and it is started displaying this WP query loop. See, if I hit tab after that, I will get my code snippet. But there is one problem here. So here I want to have a variable, and in PHP variable starts with dollar. So although I have added dollar, but it is not displaying. That's code snippet format. So to allow dollar, you have to add double slash. So make sure for each variable you add this double slash. I think this is called backward slash. I always confuse what is backward and forward. But yeah, you get the idea. So I'll add wherever the variables are there. And I think we are fine. Let me remove this and start again. WPQ tab. And now I am getting, oh, I forgot this one. Oh yes. So yeah, you get the idea. WPQ, and yep, that's my code snippet working. So this is how you can add your own code snippet, whatever it makes sense to you. Let me know if you have any doubt or question right down below in the comment section. Thank you.